Oh, look, okay.
So we just talking.
Okay, ready? 5, 4. Wait till look over. Okay. Okay. Hold on, my teeth got stuck to my.
No way.
Because of the lip gloss. Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
No.
Come on. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. This is my brother. If you see my videos from like way back then, he was the man behind all the scenes. So today we're going to be making an apple bake. So I found this recipe when I was watching one of Nicole Guerrero's YouTube videos. She did this recipe from Tasty. So it looked really tasty, so I really wanted to make it. So here are the things that you'll need. We have some cinnamon. We have a tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but all we have is the Dominican vanilla extract, which is the artificial vanilla flavor, so that's what we're gonna use. 4 eggs, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. It says for 3 apples, no, actually it says for 2 apples, but I'm gonna use 3 apples because I wanted a little bit more apples. And then the cinnamon rolls. So I have the original flavor and a cream cheese flavor, the icings. So, because I wanted to just switch it up. So Gabriel's going to be working on the wet ingredients, and I'm gonna be chopping up the apples and putting them in the pan to cook.
Yo, that egg's not popping. They're just gonna see that yolk just going around. I got it now. Let's go. I'm scared. This is press spoon against, you know. Wait, I can't.
What does this say?
Alright, this thing is just... This is not working.
Alright, let me read it. Hey, don't you have to do it on the line that's here? That's where you gotta press it so that you can pull it up and peel the cardboard. Let me try.
Oh, this thing is
Right
hard.
here. Okay, how about we use the knife? Try to put the knife.
Okay. Yo, let me do it. You have the camera. What the heck?
And you gotta take out this part and peel it.
Am I just weak? What is this?
Oh, my hand!
Alright guys, so this is hot. Yo! Oh my gosh. It's burning my hands.
Wait, get a mitten then.
Oh, you right.
What?
I'm stupid.
Get all the sugar. I have to put it away. Okay, so now the oven is preheating for at
375.
375. We're going to put this deliciousness into the oven, and wow, it smells so good. It smells really good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, one thing we forgot to mention, it did say 1 cup of
Brown sugar.
brown sugar, but we didn't have brown sugar, we used white sugar, and when I completely forgot the sugar completely, but I did add it in while the apples were cooking.
So it won't taste as good as brown sugar, I guess.
I don't really know what the difference is. Well, okay, so I just think that one is healthier than the other. That's about it.
So it won't get the healthiness of the brown sugar, I guess.
So yeah, we'll be back when it's cooked. We forgot to add the icing. But this is like really hard. In the video, Tasty, I don't know how you did it, they were like, it was like drizzled on beautifully. So I'm going to microwave it for 5 seconds. Dang, this is gonna be sweet. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think only one of them would have. I think one is okay.
We got this.
One is okay. Alright guys, so the pie is done. It is ready to be eaten. It's ready for the taste test. I sweated out my hair. It's all frizzy now after being in the hot kitchen. But I like my pies warm. Do you like it warm?
Yes.
Let's give this a taste. We should do this by the Christmas tree because this is a holiday video. Okay, so we're ready to taste it.
I'm kind of scared.
This is really soft. Those apples taste really good.
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
You thought it was gonna taste bad?
For the first time, you know.
It's so good.
It's really good.
This, do you know what this tastes like? A nice warm hug.
You're not starting this.
It does! Yo, if we had some ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. I don't really drink milk, but like some chocolate milk.
Yeah, I guess. Yo. This is really good.
Okay guys, we're gonna be leaving the link to the recipe below. Follow their recipe because they give you more exact measurements, the timing, the skill, all that you need. We put it in the oven for like what, 25, 30 minutes, something like around there, and it came out really, really good. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and please subscribe. Thank you. Happy holidays.
Bye.